What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I got another exciting gameplay here for you today. So since the Origin nerf, we've had to find a new secondary, and in it we found an old reliable, the R90 shotgun with the Dragon Breath rounds. Anyways, this shotgun really packs a punch. It's very good at close quarters. Obviously it doesn't do anything at all over medium range, but when you get into a close range gunfight inside some buildings, it'll definitely help out. Anyways, without further ado, if you guys enjoy the gameplay, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.
I'm coming. Look at you.
Nothing new.
I'm gonna pick up this bounty right by me.
Okay.
Unless you have a scav.
I don't.
Alright, bro. I mean, I got semi-stack. Not any good weapons, but I got dead silence and cluster.
Well, make your way over here as quick as possible.
Is that area clear or no?
No.
Where you are, is it?
No, it's not clear. Like, where I specifically am at, like my person and body, is fine. But military base is not clear.
But everything else.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're asking too much. You're asking too much.
And they just bought a UAV. Alright. We have enough for a loadout. Come on, let's get a loadout real quick and let's go hunt these guys.
Let me know. I'll challenge them from a different way and wait to challenge them, and I'll throw fucking.
Oh, what?
I'll throw my cluster behind them, so when we challenge, they don't have anywhere
To go.
move.
Don't forget your daddy. Alright, we got 50 seconds to get this done. You left your daddy.
What are you talking about?
Your dead silence?
Oh, bro, I thought you said don't forget your daddy, or get your daddy.
They just
And
went
I
this
was
way?
like, oh, they're right here. There's another team in there.
Yeah.
Down one.
Got him.
Get in. He called us a bitch ass nigga. How are we a bitch ass nigga? Show that scared the fuck out of me. Oh, that scared the shit out of me.
You have plates, right? Or no?
Yeah. I got the...
Okay. I wonder where this other team was that they killed. Maybe upstairs?
Here? This is all their shit. No, this is all their shit. They killed him in here. I watched him kill him right there.
Oh, okay. Alright, well, bounty number 2. Here we go. Actually, I'm gonna go get some self. I'm gonna go get a.
Or they bought our teammate back.
They did buy a teammate back. They might have gotten both. Here. Oh my god. I'm coming, I'm coming. I'm coming up the right side. Just don't die.
Oh, I'm dead. What
Is
the
he
fuck, dude? I didn't do that.
Is he
to
close
your
on you?
teammate. He's right on me. He's right on me, right down the hill.
Okay.
Like right over the ledge. I had my blue one out and I didn't.
I got him.
Good shit, good shit. His teammate's down.
His teammate's dead. Your stuff is still here. Our bounty is being assholes. So be careful. I'm flanking him right now.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
Damn.
You guys are so. Fucking aim sucks, dude. Fucking P90. He's using a P90 with a short barrel and a fucking hybrid toggle 3 times fucking unit.
Well, we're dead, ain't you?
I got him. I need a buy.
Get your ghost first. Get your ghost first. Fuck that.
Yeah, I will.
And then I'll drop in and get my ghost and pick up the other guy.
I'm gonna drop a bunch of ammo here for you, too, because I have fully loaded.
You're using that gun?
I am, yeah. I dropped my money on the buy, too, so you can buy a self or a UAV. Oh, they're in here.
No, man.
Killed one. The other one's coming in. He just came in. Alright, you're pre-firing nothing.
Yeah, they're down.
Yeah, bro. I want to get fucking. I'm not gonna get any kills with you guys in their fucking.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. It's too good.
Well, and I couldn't. This is a shit MP5 class.
Where are you shooting
Right
at?
outside, right outside, right outside, right outside, right outside. It's in this building?
Yep.
Oh, you gotta stop that.
Where's the other guy? I don't see him.
I don't know what to tell you. I saw him run that way. That's it. Thought he was done.
I'm going to Superstore. He's top of that building over there. You wanna go pay him a visit? Knock on his door a little bit? Nice. Here, take my money. Ooh, sniper top of the hotels. There's a sniper up here.
What do you want me to buy?
UAV. Just don't use it. Oh shit, never mind. I'm coming back, I'm coming. Hopefully I don't get sniped in the back. Just survive, I'm flanking him right now. Just don't die. Cluster strike is coming handy.
Oh shit.
Yeah, no, they didn't have anything. Did they even have their class? I didn't see.
Good kilos. I beamed the first one in the second. I didn't look at my shit.
So there's gonna be a team to our right.
Oh, yep, I see him right now. Take your ping off, take your ping off. I don't even want to challenge him, bro. I gotta.
I'm just getting in front. I got a kilo. It's all good. Just don't go downhill so they can't shoot us from the hotels before they leave. Now would probably be a good time for the UAV. Alright, we just gotta hold him.
Got one. Oh shit, we got one over here.
Where? I just got shot.
Behind us, behind us.
Dang, bro. Yeah, I know.
He's running left. He's going here. I don't know if he got him or not. I'm clustering them. We're covered.
Guy's a bitch. Oh, I didn't pick up his satchel? Fuck, that sucks.
Damn, that's a cap. You see him? Right here.
Bro, I can't do anything up
Right here, look at him right here. He's on the other side of the tree. Oh, fuck.
there. Yep. Yeah, look at him.
Sorry, I didn't expect his teammate to snipe you.
Two up top. Oh, there's another team up top.
Oh, perfect.
It's hurt. Good shit.
That's only one, though.
Coming right now.
plenty of ammo and stuff around here. There's an armor satchel right here on this guy's body. I didn't get a team light, bro, so I'm nervous. I don't know where he's at. Played up? I just saw one jump off right there. I'm gonna get on top of this tall building and hotel. Or hospital, I mean.
I got a cluster.
We're good. I'm chilling up here. Oh, that's you running, okay. Oh, you went for it. I wasn't expecting that. I'm gonna stay up here just to make sure no one else comes here. Alright. I'm gonna wait here right now until the circle closes, that way nobody comes up behind us and hits all bad news. Okay, so my bullets don't hit.
Careful of the people below you.
Good snipe from our bounty. I'm putting down an armor box, I need it. Maybe we try and hold this hill right here.
People up top don't fuck us.
Nope, they are. They have to jump off.
They're right to my right, right to my right.
Oh, yeah.
Pushing up on your. Oh, I got him. Last team's across. It's our bounty. Wow, bro, we actually had each other's bounty. That's hilarious. They just jumped. One guy's close already. One guy's coming up over the hill.
Oh my god.
Oh no, he got up, bro. He selfed. Damn it, he selfed, bro. Fuck.
The fucking crowd, dude.
Bro, he's self-revived, man. Oh.
Good game, dude. That was a good game. Holy shit.
Yeah, it was. It was a really good game. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed that gameplay. Here's the class setup I was running. The choke, forge, tac sentry, 5mm laser, merc foregrip, and the dragon breath rounds. Pretty much every attachment that I have on this gun is to tighten the pelt spread and increase the damage range, as you can see here. So yeah, really good class setup. Can't wait to see what you guys do with it. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy. Catch you guys next time.